how to fix dial pad missing squeaky duck toy sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, scroll down and click on system sound. After click on system sound, so click on system sound theme. So you will see, if you want to fix dial pad missing squeaky duck toy sound, so click on Galaxy. After click on Galaxy, go back to home screen and click on phone app. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix dial pad picking squeaky duck toy sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.